Greetings to my supervisor Encik Dayat and my both panels Encik Faiz and Encik Salih. Okay, today I'm gonna present my FYP. The title is the application of autonomous maintenance to reduce failure rate of bearings in food production line. So this is the case study. Attach my poster beside. So this poster is my project's overview, which includes introduction, literature review, methodology, results and discussion, and also the conclusion and future works. And the last includes references too. Okay, next I'll explain my project more detail in my slide. Okay, this is my project title, which I explained just now. Okay, I'll be presenting my project to Encik Muhammad Faiz, my panel 1, and panel 2 Encik Saleh, and my supervisor Encik Dayat. Okay, this is the problem statement. Okay, productivity of production decreasing, changing the way of thinking, habit and the culture of the operators. There is a problem where operator not giving a full commitment to the task given. Okay, this is the objective of my project, to conduct a data collection that causes downtime in food production line. Next one is to create autonomous maintenance procedure from data collection. Okay, this is the scope of work. Okay, next, the literature review. So I've researched about OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, total productive maintenance, TPM, importance maintenance in industry, responsible of autonomous maintenance, advantages of autonomous maintenance, and implementation of autonomous maintenance. Okay, this is the methodology of my project. Okay, this is the flow chart. The first one, idea and concept. The second will be the literature review. Third is information collection. The next one is site visit to the production. The fifth one, collecting downtime data. Sixth one, analyze and interpret data. The seventh is improvement and implementation. And the eighth is finishing project. Okay, this is the fishbone diagram of my project. The first one is autonomous maintenance development. So it's responsibility to the operators to take care of their own machines, need to do cleaning, lubricating and inspecting to the machine they are responsible at. So the second one is 4 stages of implementing autonomous maintenance: AM initial preparation, AM training motivation, AM 5-step execution, and AM audit. So the third one is AM initial preparation. Okay, it is study of the autonomous maintenance culture condition in the company. The next one is investigate the frequency of machine downtime in the production line. So the fourth is AM training and motivation. The point is training should be done for the operators team to make sure the operators gain the correct knowledge to the task. The next one is motivation should be given to them. Okay, the fifth one is AM 5-step execution. The 5-step initial cleaning, elimination of sources of contaminations, establishment of inspection, visual display and control. The fourth is establishment of cleaning, tightening, lubricating standards. And the last one is establishment of AM standard. So the sixth one is focus on the audit tasks and also continuous improvement of the autonomous maintenance. This is under AM audit. Okay, the next is audit need to be with proper step and also complete with all the forms for the auditors. Okay, from this the outcome will be the result of the downtime will be bearing issue cause high downtime in production line. Okay, we are in the result and discussion part. Okay, the company I've visit is the food manufacturing company, which is located at Saraman. Okay, there is 6 total production line in the company, um, which I investigate and analyze for the downtime. Okay, this is the production layout of the machines. Okay, production area machines. There are 11 types of machines, which is dry mixer, wet mixer, metal inspection, roller, cutter, fryer, cooler, seasoner, vibrator, can filler, check, weigher. Okay, actually I analyzed the most downtime is at the seasoner part. Okay, this is some of the production area machines. Figure 4.2 shows the roller to create draft sheet, and 4.3 is seasoning section. So in the seasoning section, so this is the machine that use lot of bearings and causes high downtime. Okay, this is analysis of the downtime in production line. First and foremost, the breakdown of the production line is being investigated to the critical breakdown issue. Critical breakdown issue is the breakdown that has the largest number of downtimes. But for this investigation, only critical issue that use autonomous maintenance as the countermeasure will be focused on, which is bearing damage like that. So there is more high downtime caused by different types of things, but we didn't focus on that because I just choose the bearing first. And rather than that, they already implement the step to improve for the other downtime. Okay, the next is the bar chart showing source of downtime. So it can be observed that the downtime caused by bearing failure is higher than 5,000 minutes from January to June 2020. This issue was chosen to be improved because the autonomous role does not fully optimize. Okay, so you can see from this graph, it shows that the bearing damage is higher than other types of failures. Okay, next is the bar chart on production line downtime due to bearing failure. Okay, so you can see that the high downtime compared to other production line, line 3 is the highest. So the downtime caused lot of loss of the company because there is a bearing damage. The bearing needs to be replaced to a new one. So to do this, the entire production line will be shut down because all the machines are connected in series to each other. Okay, this is the sum of the bearings at the seasoning machine. So it can be observed that there are a lot of bearing being used in the production line. So the figure is only showing approximately 3 bearings at seasoning area, but there are actually 28 number of bearings in the area. This is what it more complicated in order to keep all bearings work at the best performance. Actually, the main part is seasoning. They using lot of bearings. So the first picture shows the bearings used in the seasoning machine. The second one is the bearing damaged picture, the cause of the downtime. Okay, this is the improvement development. Okay, the first one is autonomous maintenance AM training. This all the execution has been explained at methodology. So the first one, the engineers have given training to the operators about the autonomous maintenance. The second is autonomous maintenance 5-step execution. So this is the part where they will be inspecting, then they will be doing the cleaning, lubricating system and everything. So third one is the autonomous maintenance AM audit. So actually I've done a form which for them to investigate every week, but it's not to the main part to the operators. The form which they will be inspecting every day, then they will be filling the data. Fourth one is improvement data analysis. So data has been taken and has been analyzed. Okay, the fifth one is downtime on production line. So the before the autonomous maintenance is applied, we have taken the before data and after the autonomous maintenance applied data. So both are compared, and it came out in a positive result. So this is the comparison of before and after implementing autonomous maintenance. Okay, you can see the before implementation of AM, so January to June, the production line due to bearing failure. So it's all is high. Highest downtime is 1371 minutes. So after implemented, the highest downtime is 1003. So there is a slight improvement, and total downtime is 2773 minutes. And year before 4421. So it's considered it has been improved. Okay. So I'll calculate the percentage of the total downtime improvement. So I've taken the total downtime minus the before total and minus the after times with 100. So it's divide with the total downtime of before. So equals to 37.28% is improved. So this is the improvement in lines. So line 1 improvement is 22.55%. Line 2 is 80% decrease. So in line 2 there is a slightly increase of downtime. Line 3 is 64.91 improved. Line 4 is 47.18% improved. Okay, conclusion and future works. As a conclusion, the autonomous maintenance can contribute towards a significant improvement on reducing machine breakdown and downtime. This is the importance of operator role in production area. Although the job is simple and does not require much energy, it can give a big impact towards the company. Future work Future work will be focusing on investigation on the source of bearing failure at the highest rate it occurred. From the bearing downtime data analysis, it is shown that the most bearing failure occurred at the seasoning section. As I said just now, the seasoning section, the downtime of the bearing failure is really high. So it is clearly shown that the area in seasoning had the largest value of downtime, which exceeding 5000 minutes. Investigation that can be done is to do post-mortem to all the bearings that fail at the area. After knowing the root cause of the bearing failure, further improvement can be done by the engineering team. Okay, that is my project conclusion and future work. Okay, thank you very much. And also I would like to thank to my parents and to my cousins who helped me in this project, and to my supervisors and panels. So thank you very much.